What's going on, everybody? It's your girl SnkrMom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today we're gonna be reviewing the new Bape and Vans collaboration. Let's get into it. You got your nice Bapes box going. They got all the different Bapes going all around the box. They have Vans off the wall on the top of the box. You got Vans on the side of the box with the ape right here. And then on this side has all the different apes with the camo colors. And then on the front of the box it reads Old Skool 36D, US size 6 in women and men, and size 7.5 in women. Let's get into it. We're gonna open this box up. You got your nice normal brown box on the inside that has a quality control sticker. And then on this side of the box, you had a nice ingredients, which is the Old Skool Vans Low. They came out on February the 26th. They retail for $105. And I got them off the Bape website because they also came out on Vans website, but they sold out on both websites. So I was happy to be able to get me a pair. They also came out with the Old Skool High came out, SC, just the high ones came out on that day also. I didn't really care for those. They weren't bad, but it's just they had a bunch of different colorways. Colors going on that I didn't like. But these right here, when I saw them, I was like, man, these were nice. I like the green colorway, and I like the camouflage that they got going all the way around with which is the Bape symbolization, which is the Bape. And then the camouflage going all the way around it. But anyway, let's get into the shoe. All right, you got the nice green, I would say like a pine green, light green suede going on the top of the shoe right here. As you can see, it comes with 3 different laces, which is nice. You got like a pine green lace. You got like a dark heather green lace. And then you got I would say this is like a khaki lace. And then on the inside of the shoe, they come with these nice white, get that so y'all can see it. These nice white shoelaces, which is a very nice touch. And then also behind there, as I can see, it came with a nice little Vans keychain, which was nice, and also a blue sticker that says Vans off the wall. This also has a green, just the tongues are just green. I would say a green canvas color. The outside of the shoe is all white going around the shoe. The back of the shoe got the Vans symbol like every Vans usually have, which is red. It says Vans off the wall. The inside of the shoe got Vans with the Bape symbol going on the inside of the shoe. And then it's also going around the ankle part is that leather, white leather going around the shoe. Back of the tongue says Vans. Then it has that Bape symbol right there. And then we also got the traditional line going across the Vans that they also have for the Old Skool lows. That's on every Old Skool low. But overall, this shoe was just a nice, simple shoe. I liked it. I liked that they were different. I liked it actually because it was that collaboration. I love the Bape and the canvas material they got going on right here. It looks kind of like a camouflage material, which is very nice. That was the left side of the shoe, left shoe. Let's get to the right shoe. Looks the same as that way. You got your white rubber going around the whole shoe. You got your light green suede on the toe box. Nice little black line going around that's like rubber also. You got your white shoestrings that it comes with. As you can see, also I showed you they had 3 different shoestrings that came with it. So you got 4 shoestrings in all. You got your nice camouflage Bape material going on right here, which is in canvas with your white normal Old Skool strip on the shoes. Inside of the shoe says Vans, and then it has the Bape symbol. Nice normal canvas tongue on the shoe. In the back of the shoe, you got your green suede right here, and then you got your normal Vans off the wall symbol in red. Now on the bottom of the shoe, you got your all gum bottom, which is very nice. And then yeah, that's pretty much all we got going on these shoes. It was a very nice, simple shoe, but as I said, I like the way that they came with all these different shoestrings. I think I'm probably gonna, well, I really can go with any of them, but if I go with some, I think I'm gonna go with these khaki shoestrings. I think these will look real nice in here. You can throw these on with some nice khakis or some nice green pants and a blue jean shirt, just, you know, to bring it out a little bit more. And I think they'll be just the perfect match for these shoes. Like I said, I love Vans. Vans is like my second, well, I could say they're really at the top. Vans is like my top shoe besides wearing tennis shoes. I will wear some Vans, as you can see. This whole row, which is not all of my Vans, just some of them. But I just love Vans. They're so comfortable and easy to throw on. And they have so many different colorways and different styles that you can just, it's not hard to find a Vans shoe that you don't like unless it just doesn't fit your foot. But as a fit-wise, Vans usually fit me. I usually get my original size, which is 7.5 in women, size 6 in men. Sometimes they fit big, but these fit just perfectly for me with just a little bit of extra room in the toe. But if you don't want any extra room, I would say you could just go either a half a size down, which I wouldn't recommend, or just go true to size. So mainly I would say just go true to size on Vans if you like getting Vans, which is, these are the old school ones, so I would stay true to size. But if you have a wide foot and you just want that little extra room, I would say you can half a size up and it still should be fine. But yeah, overall, this is just a very comfortable shoe. Vans to me are all comfortable, so it just depends on your style, if you like them or if you don't. But y'all let me know down in the comments below what y'all think about these shoes, the Vans and Bape collaboration. Like I said, they came out on February 26th. They retail for $105. Ordered them off the Bape website. It took about a week and a half for them to get here, which wasn't too bad. I actually been had them. I'm just not doing my review, but I just want to go and put this review out for y'all in case anybody was on the fence on whether they should pick these up or not. I would say go for it because it's a very nice shoe, and I love this colorway. Like I said, they also came out with the highs. They had a bunch of different colors going on with it. I just really wasn't feeling those, and really, I'm not a high person when it comes to Vans, so most of my Vans are lows, as you can see. And yeah, that's pretty much it on these right here. Like I said, it was just a nice collaboration. It's not their first collaboration that Vans has done with Bape, so this is just one of the many collaborations that they have had, and this is just one of the ones I actually picked up, because usually I would just pick up any Van. If I liked it, I was going to get it. But these right here, I liked them, so I went ahead and pulled the trigger and got these, and I'm glad I did, because now they're sold out. So hey, I guess I did good on these. But y'all let me know what y'all think about the Vans and Bape collaboration down in the comments below. Give y'all a 360. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. Continue to like and subscribe. Continue to hit that notification bell so you know when I post all my videos. Yeah, hit me on some likes. Get me up there so I can get out there on this YouTube. Get me out there so more people can see my videos. And yeah, continue to follow me on Instagram at SnkrMom1721. And that's all I got for y'all. So y'all know how it goes. Until the next time, it's your girl SnkrMom. Peace.